Hello guys, I'm mester.mechanic and I'm here with another video on my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to design this 3D model in SolidWorks, and here I have the dimensions, and this is the front view of the model and this is the top view. We draw the sketch of the front view, then we will extrude the sketch. So before getting started, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription and your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. So let's get started as soon as possible. Here we have the dimensions. First you have to close the model. For closing the model, just come here and click on close. Now you have to make a new part. For making a new part, come to new part. Okay, now we have a new part. First thing first, we have to choose a plane. At first it doesn't matter which plane you choose, but I suggest you to choose the front plane. So click on front plane and click on the sketch. Now we have open sketch. You can see the sketch is open. We have to draw 3 circles in each other. So here choose a 2-point circle, and here draw a circle. And you can see as you get close to the origin point, the orange point here appears. It means that if I click on this point, the center of the circle will be connected to the origin point. So click on the screen and now draw 2 other circles. And right click, select to exit the tool. Here choose a smart dimension. The dimension of the inner circle is 50 millimeter, and the dimension of this one is 78 millimeter, and the dimension of the last circle is 90 millimeter. And yes, now we have to draw 2 center lines. So here choose the center line and connect this point to the and this point by a center line, and right click, select to exit the tool. Now choose the center line again and do the same thing here. Connect this point to this point and right click and select. Now choose the line and draw a vertical line. So start drawing a line from the bigger circle and connect this circle to this circle, and be careful, the line must be vertical. So you can see as I move the line, a yellow symbol here appears, the vertical relation, and connect it to the smaller circle, and right click and select. If you can't see the dimensions or the relations, come to hide and show items and you can turn on or turn off the sketch view relations or the dimensions. Now here choose mirror entities. I'm going to mirror this line to this side of the center line. So here choose this line in entities to mirror, and in mirror about choose the center line and click on OK. Now choose this smart dimension. The dimension from this point to the point here is 10 millimeter. Now all we have to do is just trim the extra parts. So here choose trim entities, power trim, and trim these parts here, and this part, and this one, and this one. Yes, and okay. But our sketch is not still fully defined because the dimension of the bigger circle have been deleted. So here choose a smart dimension. The radius of this arc is 45 millimeter. Yes, and okay, the sketch is fully defined and I can't move my sketch and everything is black. Now come to the feature. If you don't have the feature tab, right click and you can turn on or turn off the feature tab. And here click on extruded boss and base. Here is selected contour. Click on this region. Don't choose this region. We will extrude this region after this extrusion. Here must be 10 millimeter. We have to extrude the sketch about 10 millimeter. Here must be blind and sketch plane. And click on OK. Now we have to extrude the sketch again. So here choose this symbol, and here choose the sketch. Now again choose the extruded boss and base. I'm going to use the previous sketch, and now choose this region and the 10 millimeter, and please be careful, turn on the merge result sketch plane, and yes, okay. Now we have to use the circular pattern to pattern the teeth. So here choose circular pattern here, and in features and faces here choose the second extrusion, and in the first parameter choose this edge. And now we have to pattern this teeth about 15 pattern. The number of the patterns, yes, there are 15 teeth on this surface, and okay. And we design the model. Now all we have to do is just apply color, choose this post extrude, and I'm going to here in edit appearance I'm going to apply the red color. I think red is much better, so let me see, move this page. It's really annoying sometimes. Yes, I'm going to apply the color. The color should be, I think, green is not okay. Green is okay. And the teeth here, choose the circular pattern and choose this one. And here in edit appearance, I'm going to change the color to red. Red is okay. And that's it. And we design the model. Please practice at home and do it yourself. And it's very, very important to do practicing at home. Please watch my previous videos. I have uploaded over 30 videos on my YouTube channel about drawing a sketch. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and put your comments. Your subscription and your comments give me more energy to upload more videos on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.